Today I'm going to show you how to solve Leetcode problem 209 minimum size subarray sum. So basically what we're looking for, we are given an array, in this case 2, 3, 1, 2, 4, 3, and we are looking at a subarray for which the total is 7, the minimum possible subarray. And subarray are two contiguous element in a array or a list. One possible, if you look at it, 3 plus 2 plus 1 will give us 6, plus 2, 8. This is okay. We can do 4, 2, 1, and we can do 4, 3. This is the least possible. So if you see, we have multiple options. We can do 1. Array elements start at 0, so we can have element 0, 1, 2, 2, 3, and 4. Total will be 7. Or we can have 4 and 5. Total will be 7. Let's see how to solve it. The technique we'll be using for this is sliding window technique. And let's define the left side of the array. Left is 0. We can define the sum. Let's put it as current sum equals to 0. Let's also define n is equals to length of nums. What else do I want? Minimum size. Let's take it as float. And this means infinity. And for right in range of n, current sum is equals to nums at, right? The first time I'll go in here, I'll get the value of 2, which is not equals to 7. Let's look at the next one. While current sum is greater than equals to target, let's start shifting. We will do minimum size is equals to min between minimum size, comma, right minus left plus 1. So we are shifting. We're shifting one element. And now we have shifted this, so we need to reduce the size of the array. The current sum minus equals to numbers in the left, because I am moving it left, and left plus equals to to 1 and return min size if min size is not infinity, else 0. Let's try to see if it works. And this worked.